Tell me the make and model of your bike, please.
It's a 2021 Ducati Streetfighter V4 S.
V4 S, okay. How long have you had it?
About 6 months. I bought it used.
Oh, you bought it used? Okay.
Yeah.
Cool.
I did everything to it. It was just a standard flat black before.
Yeah, I see that you have done a lot of work. Can you tell me a little bit about the stuff that you've done?
Let's see. You got the Akrapovic exhaust, whole bunch of carbon fiber because it's a Ducati. Different reservoirs, different mirrors. There's a map on it. And then I wrapped it. Came up with an idea for a custom livery, and I liked it, so we wrapped it.
Do you normally ride it like on the highway, back roads, or where is your riding
Everywhere.
style?
Ride it all the time. Everywhere.
Everywhere?
Yeah.
Okay. How many miles have you put on it? Since you got it?
Since I got it about, let's see, 3 months, I put about 2,300 miles on it.
2,300 miles on it? Oh wow. From some dealership used or what?
Yeah, I bought it used from District Ducati in Maryland.
Oh, yeah, yeah.
For one, and I had bought stuff from District a long time ago.
Yeah.
I stopped by and I was actually looking for a 950 SP Hyper Motard.
Okay.
And I rode it, and I was like, this is great. And then I wasn't thinking the V4, I was like, that's too much.
Yeah.
And then I rode the V2, the V-twin Street Fighter, and I thought, this is cool. And then once I figured out what it was out the door, I saw they had this super clean used one on a V4.
Yes.
I rode it, and there was no comparison. I was just like,
do you find it comfortable
I
riding?
can ride it all day.
Oh, you can ride it all day? Okay.
Yeah.
Did you change the seat or is it the original?
No, it's the factory seat.
It's the factory seat. Yeah, I see the V4 on it.
Yeah,
So.
it's a great seat.
It's a great seat. Good. Good. So where are you going to ride today from here?
I think Ben and I are going to go to Clifton.
Oh, you're going to go to Clifton?
And then we're going to go run around and do some other stuff.
Oh, okay. Did you